Cando Rail Terminals, they're Canada's leading provider of specialized rail services and rail infrastructure. This Lethbridge terminal, we offer a wide range of services. The main service is railcar storage, and then we also do transloading as well for a multitude of commodities like fertilizers and feed grains. And then we also have our 2 railcar repair shops where they requalify tank cars, and then they have services on site to clean those rail cars as well.
We also have a laydown area of about 30 acres that we bring in all sorts of different things. For example, wind energy products by rail and by truck, and they are offloaded here and staged and then taken out to site. We have a small staff, like I have 4 guys on the ground. Then there's 1 business development guy, and then 2 of us in the office, have a coordinator and myself. We're all one family here. Even though we're not all related, it's like a family, and that's how we deal with it.
We're a critical piece of the rail supply chain for a lot of the big companies. These big companies, they have thousands of rail cars, and they can't put them in their facilities all the time. They're either in the network getting moved on the Class 1s, or they need to be put in storage. And so our facility enables these companies to keep that supply chain fluid and keep the cars always rolling, and a good supply of empties going up to get loaded, and then they get distributed throughout North America. And so a lot of the products they get produced in Alberta, in Canada, Cando is a critical middle point for a lot of those movements.